Syscon is delighted to launch its safety screening product of 2021, Syscon Suraksha, a non-contact temperature cum face detection system specially designed for COVID-19 pandemic. The system has been developed indigenously, which is easy to install, highly sensitive, user-friendly, and most competitively priced with robust supporting network. It can be effectively put into use in various high-traffic locations such as industries, factories, educational institutions, wedding halls, convention centers, airports, bus stations, railway stations, cinemas, etc. The system not only reduces the processing time for temperature screening to a fraction of manual mode, but facilitates real-time monitoring and promotes hassle-free movement. How does the system work in the industry, educational institution, or office settings? As the employee or student passes through the screening station and swipes his or her RFID card, the system spontaneously recognizes his or her face and syncs with RFID tag and instantly displays the temperature on digital display board. The temperature is flashed in Fahrenheit form in green color if it's in normal limits, that's 95 to 97 degrees Fahrenheit, and in red color if the temperature is raised beyond normal. The recorded temperature is also instantly relayed to preset control stations such as the Office of HR or head of the institution or any other point as desired. The scanning time taken by the system will be less than 5 seconds, thus making triaging process for febrile individuals faster, functional, and efficient. It's time to ensure safety of the premises and workforce with this hassle-free technology at astonishingly affordable cost.
In continuation to COVID 19 safety, Syscon also brings you a small and compact size automatic sensor based non contact sanitizer dispenser. This dispenser is compact in size, low cost, can be operated both in AC and DC power, light in weight, wall mountable. The content of bottle capacity will be 1000 ml, which can sanitize around 1500 people. Infrared sensor technology, heavy duty ABS, and PC body can be used for both sanitizer and liquid hand wash. For inquiries, please contact us.
Wish you a happy, healthy, and safe new year.